Research culture is influenced by many different interconnected and systemic factors. And at UKRI, we recognise the importance that research culture plays in enabling and supporting a thriving, inclusive, diverse research and innovation system. And it's for this reason that research culture is one of our key priority areas for action. Earlier this year, our government published their own R&D People and Culture strategy, which UKRI was intimately involved in developing. And we're now involved in helping deliver that strategy, working collaboratively with partners across the ecosystem to support and drive forward lasting change. Within UKRI, we're looking quite carefully at our own systems and processes and how those influence the wider ecosystem. In all areas, we are taking an evidence-based approach and sharing our data. Some examples of the activities that we're involved in around assessment and criteria. We're particularly interested in reward and recognition. So we're introducing a narrative CV called A Resume for Researchers, which supports the recognition of a wider range of diverse contributions and also the diversity of career paths. We've also spearheaded a campaign to celebrate the diverse range of research and innovation outputs beyond the traditional publication, and we're about to embark on a review of expert peer review. In equality, diversity and inclusion, we have a strategy under development. On open research, we've recently reviewed and refreshed our open access policy, and we continue to support sustainable research data and data infrastructures. In the context of ERA, we think it's important to continue to raise awareness of research culture, to show leadership in this area, and to emphasize that culture involves everyone in the research system. Thank you.